take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Be warned though, the game has a size of about 9 to 15 gigabytes. You will need to seriously weigh your options and pick the right time to download the game. If you're on a capped data plan, you would not want to find yourself dry of data in the first week of the month.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
About 15 gigabytes. Consider the fact that a fresh install for Windows 10 takes up storage space of about 15 gigabytes. Most of this 15 gigabytes is composed of reserved and system files, whereas a space of 1 gigabyte is taken up by the default games and apps that come pre-shipped with Windows 10.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Bigger the log files, longer Fortnite takes to launch. Long gaming times tend to increase the size of each file. Like today I played for 4 hours, the log file is approximately 50 gigabytes. Deleting these log files should fix the issue.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.